Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset mobile network settings. Okay, now let's begin. So let's open up the settings first. Now scroll down until you find the general management. Now scroll down once more until you find the reset options. Click right in here. Now scroll down until you find the reset options, and as you can see, the second option from the top is the reset mobile network settings. Simply click on right in here. Now click on this blue button, reset settings. Now I need to confirm by drawing my pattern. If you have the lock screen set, you will also have to do it. Okay, simply do it. Type or draw your pattern. Now click on the reset button, and now our settings has been resetted. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.